So this is a LED lighting kit from NEEWER, and I really love this thing. It puts out a ton of light, even from these really small light panels. Each of these panels originally came with this tripod light stand. They screw in using a standard 1/4 inch screw, and the stand actually even extends when you twist the top part and extend it, giving you a bit more height. And this thing will work great if you just want to put it on a table, for example, and have your lights there. But I actually prefer to put them on light stands because they give you just a ton more height. But these work great too, they really do. As you can see, there's a cable that leads to this little remote to turn them on. When they're off, there's a blue LED glowing. You just click that button and then they turn on. And you can adjust the brightness using the up or down arrows on the remote. So that's brighter. And then that's not as bright. Then there are also various filters that you can use, various colors. There's a red, yellow, and a blue, which you can combine, of course, for various colors. And there's also this diffuser that really spreads the light out. Behind the diffuser, you can see all the LEDs glowing there, and they really are truly bright. The video doesn't do it justice. Then that line leads to a USB cable, which you need to plug into a charger of some kind. Your standard phone chargers will work just fine. We use these lights both for recording videos and also for teaching children online. So yeah, I really like these lights. They put out a ton of light. They really come in handy. They're a great value and they work great. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.